Hello, little learners. Welcome to Phonics Teach. Today, we're going to learn the ED family words. Let's say them together. I, D, ED, I, D, ED. Let's read some ED family words. B, Ed, bed, a soft bed to sleep on. F, ed, fed, the baby is fed by mommy. L, ed, led, the boy led his dog with a bright light. Ed, red, the apple is red. T, ed, Ted, Ted is a happy boy. W, ed, wed, the bride and groom are wed. Let's read them all together. Bed, fed, led, red, Ted, and wed. Great job! You did amazing! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Phonics Teach for more fun phonics lessons.